Hello, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Are you ready for a hair that can withstand heat and most definitely withstand water? Then stay tuned and let's get ready for this beautiful hairstyle. Caribbean crochet with highlights is what I call it. So let's see who is the subscriber of the week. And I thank you. Okay, as you know, my hair is washed and blow dried, and I always put some leave-in conditioner on my hair to start off. I'm starting off with a leave out on both sides. Everything that I am doing step by step, I am going to do it to one side and then I'm going to switch over to the other side. You guys, I'm going to grease and, oil my hair up as we go. You guys know I like my hair greased and oiled, especially when you're putting your hair into a crochet or when you're locking your hair up. Okay, I did start off with braiding the leave out, but I just, off camera, I decided to go ahead and just twist it up. You can do what you want to do. You can twist it, you can braid it, but I just decided to twist it up because I'm going to take it down there anyway. With this braid pattern, I am going to do it as easy for you as possible and simple as possible. I took a line directly down the middle of my head, and on each side of that middle line, I'm going to put 2 braids on each side. That's going to be like the middle part to where I can move my hair, my part on where I want it. If I don't want it directly in the middle, I can have it directly on the side. So that's what I'm doing right here. I know this pattern is different from my other braid patterns, but I just wanted to try something different and see how this would go with this hair type that I'm using today. I am going to let you guys know, please try not to braid as hard. I do like the leave outs for a good reason, and that's to protect my edges. Putting a leave out, you're not pulling your edges, you're just gelling them up or edge controlling them up, but you're not putting tension on them as you're braiding them. So regardless, still don't braid too tight. Remember, everything that I'm doing to this side of my head, I will be also doing to the other side of my head. Okay, when parting this, I'm going to part it on the outside of these braids because I don't want no big braid, no big line in the middle of my head, a big part in the middle. I'd rather have a braid, which you can put hair on, and then that'll be hair instead of a long part in the middle of your head. Sweethearts, as I was braiding this, I realized that I was supposed to braid the bottom, the back edge of my hair first before I did anything. So as you see, I'm going in and braiding this now, but I go ahead and try to do this first, and then you can do that middle braid. This hairstyle was so fun to do to me. It was easy. I was actually watching a comedy while I was doing my hair, so I was kind of cracking up and laughing at the same time. So remember, if you cannot braid, sweethearts, just go ahead and twist this up. Or you can even use a hair cap with, holes in it. And then you can put that cap over your head, and then you can crochet the hair into your hair that way. If it's hard for you to braid. Or you can just have someone help you braid, and then you can crochet it in yourself. Your hair does not have to be neat under here. Remember, it's being covered up. The reason why I like mine to be a little neat is because I don't want my hair to break off as you're braiding it. Sometimes you can braid your hair and your hair be broken off on how bad you braid your hair. So just try to braid your hair as neat as possible, but it doesn't have to be neat as far as the parts, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, all products are listed in the description box, so please check that out, my sweethearts. You guys, I told you I'm not playing. I am oiling the crap out of my hair, and I'm telling you, all these products are helping my hair grow as well. Okay, this hair was so easy to work with. It's a fry Caribbean water wave. Is it a fry? Is it a free? Can somebody please let me know, because I'm confused. But it was so easy to work with. I did only just one knot for these couple up in the back, and I actually kept the hair kind of whole for the very back, but then as you know, as I was continuing throughout the head, I opened it up and spreaded them out just twice. That was it. So I just wanted some more volume in my hair. That's why I left it kind of whole. So you can either leave them whole or you can spread them out. Okay, these sweet highlights. All right, I'm digging this color. You know, I think it just goes nice with my face. You know, my face complexion. I've been using this color now for a couple, you know, for some months now, and I really enjoy it. So I like the highlights in it, and it goes with the 1B. It's, you know, like I said, I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. But if you can see how it blends with this, it's just cute, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, to get the highlight effect, I'm going to put this color like in the back a little bit on the top, and then I'm going to finish it off with the 1B. Well, I kind of wanted like a little highlight in the front, so I did put a couple highlights on the side of my hair just to make it, you know, stand out a little bit more. I'm tying the crochets a little different around my head, so in the back and on the sides, but at the very top I'm going to do the invisible knot at the top. Okay, for the amount of hair that I just used pretty much two packs of the 1B, but I had like a little bit left over, and then I used one bundle of this light brown color hair. So that's how much hair I used. See, it's looking nice and full, and I ain't even done yet. Still got the top to do. Okay, we're going to pull it through. We're going to grab one piece of the hair. We're going to tie a knot around just one string of the hair, and then you're going to pull it right on through. You see how the knot goes under the braid? That's what we want. So let's try it again. You're going to pull it through. You're going to grab one of the pieces. You're going to tie a knot with that one piece, and then we're going to just tie that, and the knot's going to go under the braid. And we're just going to finish this off with the rest of these braids at the top. Even though, like I said, I do have a part, I always kind of sort of make an extra closure part for my hair. I always do it. I don't know why, but that's just me. So go ahead and grab one piece of hair and make that knot just to close it, just to be sure. All right, we're going to go ahead and get these little edges covered. We're going to grab the smallest pieces of the hair and then tie knots around those. They're just pieces of the piece that you had took a piece from. Haha, tongue tied. So then yeah, put those pieces around the edges just to blend those in with your hair. When your leave out covers it up, it'll blend it in just fine. See how the parts can go each in any, you know, either or, left or right. But another goal is to put it up in a ponytail, you know, to have the half up, half down as well. Chop chop time. All right, you guys, when you're cutting your hair, do not pull your hair hard. Just pull it lightly and then cut. Because if you pull it too hard and then cut, you're going to be basically cutting too much. So you don't have to cut off a lot. Just cut off, just, you know, make it, you know, shape it with your face, you know, however you want to shape it with your face. But I'm just letting you know, don't cut too much. I don't think you need to cut too much with this hair. The curl speaks for itself, and you know, you can feel when you've cut just enough. So be careful when cutting, and you know, go baby, go for it. Look your best. Do the do. Alright, you guys, put on any edge control you like. I'm enjoying this edge control. This is what I've been using a lot lately. So, you know, use whatever works best for you. this works best for me. All right, I know everybody be asking, what do you do to maintain? What I do is I'm going to show you basically right now what I do every night to maintain it. I'll gel up the edges, or just put a little on the edges. I'll tie it up, then I'll put a satin scarf on or a bonnet on and go to bed. That's pretty much all you need to do to maintain it, and then fluff it out in the morning and you're good to go. And this is the final results, my sweethearts. I'm on cloud nine on how beautiful this sits on my face, on my neck. You guys, this is the perfect hair for this season, okay? Rock it. It's you. It looks great. It's light. It's fluffy as always. It's cute. Rock it, you guys. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000, my sweetheart. Let's get there, okay? I love you even if I don't know you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please don't forget to comment and most definitely share. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.